In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive unable to open document. If a Google Doc, sheet, or slide won't load, these quick checks and fixes will get you back to work without losing time. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive. In the search results, you want to make sure you're heading to the real thing. Look for the official link that points to drive.google.com and shows a secure connection. Avoid ads or lookalike domains. Click that official link to open Drive. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. It's important to use the account that actually owns the file or has been given access. If you see multiple profiles in the top right, make a mental note. We'll come back to that. If your file still won't open, clear site data just for Google Drive, since a corrupted site cache can block documents from loading. In Google Chrome, click the lock or tune icon to the left of the address bar, choose Site Settings, then click Clear Data. This only wipes cookies and cache for Drive, not your whole browser. Return to your Drive tab and refresh the page, then try opening the document again. Next, try incognito mode. Press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or CMD+Shift+N on a Mac to open a private window. Go to drive.google.com, sign in, and open the file there. If it loads in incognito, that tells you something in your regular browsing session, like a broken extension or a stale cookie, is interfering. You can keep working in incognito for now while you troubleshoot your normal window later. Another common cause is being signed into multiple Google accounts at the same time. In your regular window, click your profile picture at the top right, sign out of all accounts, then sign back in using only the account that owns or has access to the file. Refresh Drive and try again. If you're seeing a blank white screen, when you try to open a document, disable hardware acceleration. In your browser's settings, search for hardware acceleration, toggle it off, and restart the browser. In Chrome, you'll find it under System. After relaunching, head back to Drive and open the file. Work through these steps in order, testing after each change. With the right URL, the correct account, a clean site cache, incognito testing, and hardware acceleration turned off when needed, most Google Drive loading issues clear right up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your documents open and ready to go.